Gina with WTI, and I have found an amazing pair of pants that I am wearing all over the place. These hiking cargo pants from Moosehill are so comfortable. I have been wearing them every chance that I get. I love that they're wide leg, but also that they have a drawstring at the bottom that you can easily tighten for more of a tapered look. This is really nice when you're hiking too, in case you want to keep out bugs or dust or other things. All of the many different pockets have been so amazing. I especially love the one on my right thigh area because it fits my iPhone 13 perfectly. This is so nice because it's zippered and I can get to it easily while I'm out on the trail. I'm 5'4", 140 pounds, and I can wear anywhere between a size 4 and 8 in pants. And I got the size medium. These are perfect. Having the elastic around the back makes it really comfortable, not constricting, and it doesn't give you like a granny look at all. I got the color Army Green. This is gorgeous, and Moosehill has a lot of different colors that you can choose from, so you're sure to find the one that is exactly what you want. This fabric has a little bit of stretch to it, which I definitely appreciate, especially in the booty area, so that it can accommodate any of the activities that I am doing. These should definitely be your next go-to pair of pants, but that's just my point of view.